At school, I always loved maths and design, and I started out studying architecture at university. I soon realised that the course just wasn't for me, and I needed something far more hands-on, so I swapped over to doing mechanical engineering at the University of Nottingham. At 3M, my job involves taking the concept for new products through to mass manufacture, working as part of an international team. I was lucky to get to work on a high-profile project where we launched the second generation of a much-loved 3M product, the paint preparation system, which is used by painters in body shops all over the world. Engineering is really rewarding as you get to see your ideas come to life and you get to work with some fantastic people along the way. So if you're considering your options, why not give science, technology, engineering and mathematics subjects a try and see where it takes you.
When I was finishing high school, I didn't know what kind of study should I choose. The only thing I knew was that I loved solving real-life problems. That's why, finally, I decided to study mechanical engineering. Now, I get to work with an amazing team in high-tech production plant that provide products all over the world. If you're finding solutions to real-life problems, a career in engineering could be for you. Don't be put off by thinking it's too hard. There is always someone to ask and help you. Also, even the biggest problem can be divided into small pieces and solved step by step.
Seeing an idea and then end up as a real-life product that improves the lives of others, it provides such a great learning experience. Nothing ever works right the first time, but that's okay. And for me, that is the most exciting part of science. Many people believe that you have to be super smart to be a part of technology or science or engineering fields. By having passion, drive, working hard, loving what you do, there is no bounds to what you can achieve and what you can succeed at.